Welcome to another In Wheel Time podcast.
Hey, the In Wheel Time
mini version of the In
invite
Wheel
you to
Time
join
car
us
show that airs
10 to
live
noon
every
Central
Saturday
Time,
morning,
every Saturday
8 to
for
11
live
a.m. Central.
Clogging event, all things automotive. And we thank you for joining us today. Time now for Jeff's Car Culture. That's what we call it.
Yep.
And it's 5 old trucks worth restoring.
They are worth it.
I'll tell you what, I had a truck when I was in high school.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, it was a junior high. And I wound up taking the body off of it because it was a Wisconsin 3/4 ton 54 Chevrolet with a granny 4-speed in it, a manual transmission, clearly. 6-cylinder engine. The thing was a rust bucket. That's why I took the body off of it. I was going to make it into a dune buggy. Didn't quite make it that far. Cut the frame, took one of the drive shafts out of it and joined it up. So we just had one drive shaft, and it went from the tail shaft of the transmission almost straight down to the rear axle. Of course, live and learn. That wouldn't have lasted very long.
No, a lot of bearings.
Yeah,
a lot of bearings.
It would have been a big
mess.
mess. But there are other adventures to take with trucks.
There you
I'm
go.
sure you've got some.
And here we go. Restoring old trucks has become a popular hobby and an investment, bringing classic designs and engineering back to life. For enthusiasts and collectors, certain models stand out as particularly worthy of restoration. So here we go. 1972 Chevrolet C10. The 72 Chevrolet C10 is a beloved classic in the world of vintage trucks. Known for its sleek design and reliability and performance, this model has captured the hearts of truck enthusiasts for decades. The C10 appeals. It lies in the simplicity and versatility of the vehicle, making it a good candidate for restorations. Its durable chassis and available parts make it manageable. It's a good project, even for beginners. Restoring a Chevrolet C10 can be a rewarding experience. The vehicle's timeless design is complemented by a strong aftermarket community.
That one there is ugly.
Yeah, well, it's going to be restored, and it's going to be nice.
All right.
Next one,
Say so.
1985 F-150. The 85 Ford F-150 represents a pivotal moment in truck design, offering a blend of durability and performance that continues to resonate with collectors today. Known for its robust engine and sturdy build, the F-150 is a testament to Ford's commitment to quality. Its straightforward mechanical design allows it for easier restoration compared to more modern vehicles. Restoring an F-150 from this era can be both practical and financially rewarding. The truck's popularity means that parts are relatively easy to find, and there's a wealth of online communities and resources for you. That's a good one there. That's a good
possible rust.
Good stout truck. 1979 Dodge Little Red Express.
Oh, yeah.
This 1979 Little Red Express is a standout in the truck world, famous for its unique styling and powerful performance. As one of the most iconic trucks of its time, it was the fastest American-made vehicle in 1978. How about that, Mike? Faster than you. Thanks to its high-performance V8 engine, the Little Red Express is instantly recognizable with its bright red paint, wood accents, and chrome stacks. Restoring this vehicle is a labor of love and can result in a truly head-turning vehicle. One more on this, Mike, is a 68 Toyota Land Cruiser. Not my favorite, but it's an FJ40. The 68 Toyota is a favorite among off-road enthusiasts and collectors alike. Known for its ruggedness and reliability, the FJ has a loyal following reputation of handling tough terrains with ease. Its iconic boxy design and solid construction make it appealing for restoration. The FJ can be a fulfilling endeavor. Its robust design and availability of aftermarket parts make it a relatively straightforward project. The Land Cruiser's enduring popularity ensures restored models and keeping it in their value.
I like that rusted bumper.
There you go. Next one, Michael, is a 1993 GMC Sierra 1500.
That's Mars.
This vehicle is a classic example of reliable, no-nonsense truck from the early 90s. Known for its durable construction and comfortable ride, the Sierra 1500 remains a popular vehicle among truck enthusiasts. A straightforward design and mechanical simplicity make it an excellent candidate for restoration. Restoring this GMC allows for a wide range of customized options, whether you're interested in upgrading its performance or preserving its original charm. The Sierra offers flexibility with a strong community of fans, plenty of parts, very popular vehicle, and this also is a rewarding project.
That's one of those. I think the first thing I'd do is take that camper top off the back.
Yeah, you could do that. You know, you're going to pull the wheels off and all the kind of stuff, depending on retro mod. You want to go classic, like we said. It's
Unless you got deep
be your
pockets and
choice.
can do all of this in one fell swoop for months on end.
Or
usually, for my budget, it would be one thing at a time.
Or just, you know, hey, send it to somebody. You know, send it to.
Oh well, listen to Mr. Big Bucks here. No, but that's part of the fun of it. Is
to do it yourself. A family project, get some youngsters involved. There's something on YouTube. I don't know if it's YouTube or Facebook. Where the guy's got 2 little girls and they're rebuilding a.
Oh yeah.
Have you seen that?
Yes,
it's hilarious. These kids are like 9 and 10 years old, and they're pounding in grommets in the rear end and all that. They've got the pumpkin. They're trying to put it. Hilarious, but it's real.
Well, and Dad's right there guiding them.
Dad's filming it,
and he's got all of the
tools,
power tools.
He's got and everything's pristine. It's like being redone.
It seems like it's in the bedroom of his house.
I don't know.
It does. I mean, I was quite taken back.
Yeah.
That's it for this podcast episode of the In Wheel Time Car Show. I'm Don Armstrong, inviting you to join us for our live show every Saturday morning on Facebook, YouTube, Twitch, and our InWheelTime.com website. Podcasts are available on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, Stitcher, iHeart Podcast, Podcast Addict, TuneIn, Pandora, and Amazon Music. Keep listening, and we'll see you soon.